It's about time you stop pushing your clubs around. Introducing eWheels V2. Turn any pushcart into your own personal caddy. With eWheels, you get all the benefits of an electric smart cart without the price tag or hassle. Simply extend, clip, and let it roll. eWheels fits onto any standard pushcart, turning it into an electric smart caddy in an instant. Our first Kickstarter campaign raised over $160,000. We delivered and everyone loved it. We even won the Editor's Choice Award from My Golf Spy. Now, we're back, and even better. With the new V2 TFS technology, eWheels can now automatically follow you via a smart tether. The tether will sense how far away you are and will adjust the speed accordingly to maintain an optimal pace. It can also sense your direction, so eWheels stays with you with every turn. An upgraded 6-axis internal gyroscope detects the terrain of the golf course and ensures eWheels stays on a straight course. The powerful dual brushless motors make going up any hill a breeze and automatically slows the cart when going downhill. eWheels V2 has a remote range of up to 100 yards and can run for up to 27 holes. If you need more juice, you can simply replace the battery for an instant recharge. Putting for birdie? Set distance timers lets you send eWheels to the next tee as you finish your hole. The tires are made of durable, wear-resistant polyurethane, while the body is built from an ultra-strong aircraft-grade aluminum. eWheels V2 is also 100% weatherproof. A newly added electronic parking brake keeps your caddy parked even on an incline. When you're done, eWheels V2 easily unclips and stows away in your trunk without hassle. Since launching the first eWheels 2 years ago, we've built a network of service centers ready to support you. We believe golf is meant to be played by walking the course, feeling the terrain beneath you, and going at a steady pace while focusing on your next shot. From tee to green and everything in between, eWheels will take the weight off your shoulders so you can focus on your game, finish strong, and enjoy every step of the way. eWheels V2, your personal, portable smart caddy.
Welcome to the professional barbecue party. Whoa! As you can see, there's quite a bit of professionals here with their own unique trade. There are some extreme professionals here, no doubt about that. But what makes me the professional barbecue chef is the all-new A-Smoke Portable Pellet Grill. The fruity and smoky flavor that comes from the 8-in-1 pellet grill comes from high-quality 100% applewood pellets. The A-Smoke Pellet Grill is so easy to use that even beginners like myself. Our little secret. After loading the applewood pellets, set the dial to the desired temperature and the auto pellet loader does the rest. It works like this. The pellets feed through the auger which burns and heats the grill. Somebody get burned? No, friend. The food-grade pellets are perfectly safe, ready to cook and easy to use. The ultra portable grill is great for parties and can heat up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit in just 20 minutes. You can bake, sear, char grill, roast, braise, smoke, and barbecue all in one griller. Oh. Wow. The bold design also makes it easy for cleanup. Some people might be harder to impress than others, but the beauty of this pellet grill is that it does all the work for you. You can simply set it and forget it. Here, try this. You too can have an amazing smoky applewood flavor with the A-Smoke Portable Pellet Grill.
I love your barbecue, man!
You're most welcome.
A-Smoke. We put flavors first.
Dear Nature, sometimes we pledge you our support. Sometimes we share our concerns too. But then, that's all we do. But now, no more waiting. It's time to Pico. A tiny farm that fits in your palm. Pico is your self-watering, self-lit companion that takes care of plants. Yep, it actually grows plants and herbs for you. It gives your plants the power of the sun and grows along with them. It waters itself, so you don't have to. That means no more guesswork. Pico lets you be a little lazy, but a whole lot more responsible. Done, done, and done. So the next time you want to show your support, why don't you just stick it, hang it, or place it on pretty much every surface around you. Dear nature, welcome home.
Our Pyro Burn Cage is the ultimate tool for burning yard debris, cardboard boxes, and sensitive documents. Designed to replace the old burn barrel, our burn cage creates better airflow for hotter flames and more thorough burns. Each burn cage is made of single steel panels that are precision cut for a perfect fit. They slide together with our clever tab and slot design. They don't require any tools to assemble, and they're super easy to take apart. Also, when you want to store it, they store flat. We offer 4 different sizes of burn cage to tackle any job. Our small 16-inch burn cage is perfect for burning documents and daily junk mail. We've also designed it to be a truly portable fire pit for camping or just around your home. The assembled burn cage is 24 inches square and each panel weighs just 7 pounds. The medium burn cage stands 32 inches tall and is a great size for getting rid of shipping boxes and small limbs. It's roughly the same volume as a regular 55-gallon drum. The assembled cage is around 24 inches square and each panel weighs about 13 pounds. The large burn cage is 48 inches tall and has a massive 12 cubic feet of capacity. Compare that to a typical 55-gallon drum and you have over 50% more room for burning everything from papers and boxes to tree limbs and yard debris. The assembled cage is around 24 inches square and each panel weighs just under 20 pounds. If you've got a big cleanup job to tackle or you just love fire like me, then our XXL burn cage might be right for you. Last time we checked, it's the largest residential burn cage available with over 30 cubic feet of capacity. That's 4 times more than a regular 55-gallon drum. The XXL is a great size for larger limbs, big brush piles, fall leaf cleanup, construction debris, and even shipping pallets. We have an optional lid made from strong 11-gauge steel that has a large grip to make handling with gloves safe and easy. The vents allow plenty of airflow while keeping debris inside the cage when burning. We also make an optional riser base that sits inside the cage and raises the contents 4 inches off the ground. This allows airflow to feed the fire for hotter temperatures when you're burning items like paper and leaves that will tend to compact together in the bottom of the cage. All of our products are designed and built in Kansas using American steel. You can view everything we have to offer on our website at www.proudpyro.com.